Alright guys, welcome back. I'm going to do another update video on the Mega Cab for you guys. I've had more of a chance to look over it, get into some things. I know it's been a minute. I got a bunch of stuff ordered in here and even more stuff taken out of it. So I figured I'd go ahead and give you guys an update video and get you caught up with everything that's been going on over here. Alright, as always, the garage is a mess. You can see it looks a little bit different. Some new parts, actually I got rid of most of the old stuff already. But just right off face value, I got the new grill on here. I'm still debating on whether or not I want to do chrome. I like the chrome, but I was considering color matched. It's just a little bit more, and I'm kind of going back and forth on the style I want to do here. I got new headlights as well. Obviously, LEDs all around. With switchbacks, there's new fog lights in there, and this big obvious thing right here in front of your guys' face is a Tomax 48RE from Muldoon's. Over there on that torque converter, or I'm sorry, over there on that transfer case box, there's a torque converter and a billet flex plate. The torque converter, I opted for a little bit lower stall than the one that they normally offer. The one I got for this one is a 1800 stall. The one in my 03 is a 2200 stall. I figured maybe if I can get the torque converter locked up sooner, it'd be a little bit better for towing, keep the transmission a little bit cooler. We'll see how I like it. If I don't like it, I can always swap it out. Next, I did the 410 mirrors. I like how these look. Of course, maybe want to color match later. I don't know, but they look real clean like that. A little bit of chrome, a little bit of the black plastic. It's all new, so it looks pretty good. Let's see. I got the cab lights, LEDs as well. This, I don't know how so many pieces of glass got broken on this truck, but if you guys remember, this was broken. The rear window and front windshield have to be replaced as well. So this is replaced. I got it off eBay, pretty cheap. The interior here, I got all torn apart. It's gonna need new sound and everything. I already got the old carpet out of here and the new carpet in. I got off eBay. I can give links to anyone interested. There's a couple parts I ordered, some sensors for the motor that it needed, and random other things. I also, I'll pull this up a little bit. I ordered a sound deadener. I just got the kill mat off Amazon. I used pretty much a full box for just the floor. I'm going to order another one and do the doors and the roof and as much as I can with that. I want to see how much of a difference it makes between this truck and my other one. And if it's a huge difference, I might do the other one as well. But we'll see. I was hoping tearing out as much as I did would get the smoke smell out of here, but so far it's still stuck in there. I may have to pull this dash out. I probably will, and get the vents all cleaned up, and hell, maybe I even replace the whole environmental control system behind the dash there. And I really want that smell out of here, and I'm hoping I can fix it here shortly. I got the headliner out. I was gonna try to clean it and save it, but I'll just replace it. I may get another factory set up and put a different type of fabric on it. I'm not really sure yet. I don't need to do anything too fancy. I am going to order the same head unit that I have in the F-150, which is a Pioneer unit with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and all that kind of stuff. Moving back a little bit more, all the taillights are out. The bumper needs to come off. I have a new one. It is in that box right there. It's going from this chrome to a color matched bumper. This is the only new body panel I have installed, is this tailgate, and color match is it's honestly probably close because I don't really trust the rest of the truck. But I got new fenders, new bumpers for the front as well, and a new tailgate. And I'm gonna have to go back in. I'm not sure why, but the hardware for this doesn't quite work well in the new setup. So what I'm gonna do is get all new hardware, and I'm gonna replace this with the built-in backup cameras that come in them off Amazon, and see how I like it. New step pads as well. All this stuff in the bed is the new fenders. I haven't even opened them yet. I had new taillights here for it and a new third brake light, but I ended up getting pulled over the other day for not for my taillights being out, but the officer said that they were dim. And I just kind of wasted my time a little bit irritating, but I was like, you know, whatever, I'll steal these ones and I'll order new ones for this. No big deal. But with that, I decided I might as well just upgrade again while I'm in there real quick. And so I ordered some color matched ones. So it'll be a color matched brake lights and third brake light, off of, I believe it was MW Customs. So we'll see how well they do when they get in. It's going to take a little bit. I think they said 8 to 10 weeks or something for that. I'm also keeping an eye out for a long bed, because I don't know if I really want to salvage this one or not, but we'll see how that goes. Safe Light gave me a quote to do the front and rear glass, and I think it was something like $700, so I'll have them come out here soon and do that for me so I can get this all weatherproofed up. I'll be doing new seals and everything on the windows because I don't trust them, and the truck's never been outside. With the transmission, it'll be getting new everything, cooler lines and everything, so I got that one just cut and ripped out. Electrical is definitely going to be a problem on this truck. Every time I look at some electrical, it's doesn't look good. So I found this Edge tuner box tucked away down in there, everything all jumbled up, whatever. So I'm gonna get that torn out. Hardway Performance did the tune on my other truck, and I'm real happy with that. So I'll be giving them a call here to tune this one here shortly and get that other stuff replaced. So that's the update, guys. I know nothing crazy, nothing too exciting really going on. I got, you know, it's off season, race season here, so I got my G-Body Malibu is gonna be getting motor swapped. So I've been working on that. My Audi had a coolant leak, and then it decided it was gonna snow and rain and wind and all that kind of crazy stuff, so it has got torn apart and haven't had a chance to put it back together yet. The other truck's been doing fine. No issues yet with any of the upgrades, which is good. I need to get in there and do a band adjustment for the braking period, but other than that, it's great. I'll keep giving you guys updates, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks.